night, Nicky boy. Good night, Mary. Hey, buddy, aren't you glad we have our own giant swimming pool? No. Oh, come on now. What's wrong with it? It's just so cold. Okay, maybe today's not the day for a swim. What? I don't like the look of those clouds. Night. Yeah, I hear you. Good night. I can't sleep. Our parents didn't want to eat pizzas. What could have made that horrible noise and... I'm just scared. Please, little buddy, do something. Please comfort me. Oh, it was just a dream.